This Honeyuan H13 HEPA air purifier redefines indoor air quality with cutting-edge features, robust performance, and sleek design. Whether you're a pet owner, a parent, or someone seeking relief from allergens and airborne particles, this air purifier delivers top-tier results while fitting seamlessly into any home environment. Let's dive into why the Honeyuan H13 is worth your attention and investment. First impressions: design and build quality. The Honeyuan H13 HEPA air purifier stands out with its minimalistic yet modern design. The compact white finish complements any room decor, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. The 360-degree air intake design ensures optimal air circulation, pulling in pollutants from all directions while distributing fresh, clean air evenly. The intuitive LCD touch display adds a touch of sophistication while making operation straightforward. From fan speed settings to timer options, everything is accessible at your fingertips. H13 high-efficiency filtration, the heart of purification. At the core of this air purifier is its H13 True HEPA Filter, a high-performance filtration system with 3 stages. 1. Pre-filter. Captures larger particles like dust and pet hair. 2. H13 HEPA Filter. Traps up to 99.97% of microscopic pollutants, including pollen, mold, and allergens. 3. Activated carbon filter. Eliminates odors, smoke, and harmful gases for a refreshing indoor atmosphere. This advanced system makes the Honeyuan H13 perfect for families with children, elderly members, or anyone prone to allergies and respiratory issues. Coverage area and circulation. With the ability to purify spaces up to 600 square feet in just 30 minutes, this air purifier is ideal for medium to large rooms. Its air delivery rate of 90 to 120 milliliters per hour ensures that every corner of your space receives clean, breathable air. Customizable fan speeds. The device offers 3 fan speed modes: low, medium, high, tailored to your needs. Whether you're working, relaxing, or sleeping, you can adjust the fan speed to maintain the perfect balance between performance and noise levels. Quiet operation. One of its standout features is its whisper quiet sleep mode, operating at a noise level as low as 24 dBs. It's perfect for bedrooms, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep while continuing to purify the air. Smart features that set it apart. The Honeyuan H13 HEPA air purifier isn't just efficient, it's smart. Here are some features that enhance usability. Timer options. Choose from 9 timer settings, 1 to 9 hours, to automatically shut off the purifier when needed. Filter replacement reminder. The device alerts you when it's time to replace the filter, ensuring consistent performance. Energy-efficient design. Certified by UL, CE, FCC, and compliant with CARB and California Proposition 65, this air purifier is safe and energy-efficient for prolonged use. What's in the box? The Honeyuan H13 package includes air purifier unit, high-efficiency composite filter power adapter instruction manual. The 1-year warranty and 24-hour customer service support make this a risk-free purchase. Real-world benefits. 1. For pet owners, reduces pet dander, hair, and odors. 2. For allergy sufferers, provides relief from pollen, dust, and mold. 3. For smokers, effectively eliminates smoke and related smells. 4. For families, creates a safer, healthier indoor environment for children and seniors. Why choose the Honeyuan H13 HEPA air purifier? The combination of powerful performance, smart features, and user-friendly design makes the Honeyuan H13 a must-have for anyone prioritizing air quality. Whether you're combating seasonal allergies, reducing pet-related pollutants, or simply looking to breathe cleaner air, this purifier excels in every aspect. Final verdict. The Honeyuan H13 HEPA air purifier is more than just an air cleaner. It's an investment in your health and well-being. With its superior filtration system, impressive coverage, and thoughtful features, this purifier delivers everything you'd expect and more. Whether it's your first air purifier or you're upgrading from an older model, the Honeyuan H13 won't disappoint. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.